Well, I remember when I was doing this thing, like I took a picture of a house and I was doing a house. Like stuff like that is just so fun in Blender. If you've never done that, by the way, casually, I recommend you doing it. Like just go on Google, right? And then search for like house, exterior, flat image maybe. I don't know, let's see. Like something like this, but not like black and white. Like try to like find something more like something like this as well, or maybe if you can find like a full-on building would be better. So basically what you do is like you put this in Blender, like this picture, not this one. Let me find like a decent. Anyways, what you do is like you put this in Blender, you UV map your image on top of it, and then you start extruding basically and adding loops basically. So you add a loop here, so it's a loop, 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 and then you extrude that stuff. And you're essentially just trying to like be, oh, this one is so fucking good. Something like this is so good. This line here, I'm gonna actually show it real quick. This shit is actually fun as fuck. If you've never done this, this is actually very fun. So this is like an image file for now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a mesh on top of it like this. And I'm gonna make it like same size. See that? Alright, good. And then for this one, it doesn't have to be anything, honestly. There we go. And then what you do with this, basically this is already a mesh, by the way. Like you can move it around. It's like a haha, it's a moving house. But you basically start like extruding, or sorry, adding loops. Where am I? Here. And then aligning this. Then you can do same with like the frames of windows. Like that. I'll do a couple. Like that. Like that. So now I can take this too and extrude this a tiny bit forward like that. So that's our window frame, right? Extrude this inwards a little bit. Like this basically, right? So you basically create a actual topology basically, right? Create the edge here. Like shit like this is like actually so fun for just training. Like if you just want to train in Blender and just do some stuff, just do this. And then the cool part is like for like windows and shit like that, right? Then you can add like extra effects to this by principles. You can add like basically maps, like masks to make like certain areas more shiny, certain areas less shiny, and things like that. There's just like so much fun that you can do with this shit, to be honest. Like if I do color ramp, I'm gonna turn this image into black and white. Let me see what I got here. Let me invert this. I would have to draw this properly, I guess. It's fine. But oh, it's the other way around. Yeah, you can sort of see the reflections and stuff, right? But it's a reflection on the wrong thing, right? So, yeah. But yeah, this shit is like fun as fuck. If you do this like this, like you will learn so much as well, and it's like fun process. And then like you can learn some stuff about UV maps, like some other stuff. If you want to go further with it, you can create like this individual stuff as well with it. But yeah, like I only did like a small part of it, but you understand what I'm saying, right? Create like a mask basically that would make the windows parts basically like shiny, right, and shit like that. This is just the black and white map. You put this into roughness, like there you go, right? Hey, I'm wondering, what if I put this in specular? What does specular do? No, it's not. It's roughness. Not normal though. Can you recommend some courses to start modeling anime characters? Watch my streams. It's as simple as that. Just watch my streams. Like, people always want to rush and get into like, oh no, I want to make characters and shit like that. It's like, I always tell them like, before you get into that, like just get your hand used to software, right? And the best way to do that is just doing things like that, actually. Just do like simple extrusions, like just simple stuff, right? Simple and fun. You can learn a lot from that too, especially, right? If you're just doing that. Yo, here's a task for you guys. Create this. Just like cut out this part right here. Up to here. And just make this. Like with all the actually like lower resolution. This one is funny as fuck. Making Soviet block.